This is the slide design for the Callaway Rogue ad campaign. The Callaway Rogue is a driver developed by Callaway in 2018 that features the jailbreak effect, which is two little inserts on the driver that help off-center hits have more distance and more accuracy. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is the original ad here. We're going to start with color, and the text on, you can see the text on the right matches the secondary color of the driver. There's this light blue on the driver, and that's the actual color of the bottom of the driver when you purchase one. It's exactly the same, logo and all. And then if you look on the right here, we have this blue text. The image here is blue. We have the two little lines here, which is the same as the jailbreak effect. We also see that there's great contrast in the color because they have the black here from the driver, they have the secondary blue, and then they have the white as a tertiary. And we see the same thing over here, black in the image, blue in the image, and the text, as well as in the space of the text you have black. And then you also have white here with the Rogue and the jailbreak effect. Moving on, we also can talk about alignment a little bit. As we see here, we've got the text on the right. It's all centered, but it's all text on the right and the drivers on the left. And they're very proportionate to each other. It's very similar sizes. It really is well done that way. And we can see that the jailbreak over here on the left, these two little bars point to the jailbreak effect on the right. They point to that phrase, indicating emphasis on that phrase, the jailbreak effect, which is the technology they're trying to advertise. This ad was designed for someone who wants a very simple ad. These are business people. These are people who want to take relief from their regular day-to-day work when they're buying a golf club. So they want focus on the club and focus on how it's going to help them have a better golf round. So that's very well done. All right, let's take a look at the ad and how it fits that campaign. So here's the ad that I created. We've got the driver here again on the left. We've got it pointing to the jailbreak on the right, which is that break free. The text is sans serif, which, like the original ad, is also sans serif. There's no extra lines or anything. Again, trying to keep it as easy to read as possible. We've got that same color contrast here. We've got the light blue, black, and the white. And that's again featured over here with the ad this way. For that reason, because we've got the contrast, because we've got the right aligned center facing text, and we've got the driver on the left, I feel like this design would match very well with the original design. Overall, I love the ad, and I loved working on this ad and creating a portfolio for it. Thank you very much.